Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Amazon warehouse used very good item will come repackaged camera lens. So in this box is a Nikon AF-P NIKKOR 70 to 300mm f4.5 to 5.6e ED VR lens. So just taking a look around the box packaging from Amazon warehouse. And now let's go ahead and open up the box. But of course, cutting apart the clear packing tape that's keeping the box sealed, and opening up the box to reveal the contents inside. Let's lift off the protective paper packaging and taking a look at the Nikon lens that's in there, and of course checking through to make sure nothing else is left in the box packaging. We can set that to the side and just giving you a full and clear look at this Nikon AF-P NIKKOR 70 to 300mm f4.5 to 5.6e ED VR lens. So right there, giving you a full look at the condition of this used very good item will come repackaged Amazon warehouse order. So there, keeping my hands out of the way so you have a full and detailed look. And now let's take a close-up look at the packaging of this Nikon box and the condition. And now let's open the box up to check the contents out inside. So flipping up the box flap and taking a look directly inside. Let's slide the contents out or lift the contents out from the box packaging. And just setting them on the tabletop. And just continuing to lay the contents out across the table. And just giving you a look at the internal packaging as well from the Nikon box packaging. I'm just setting that down to the side. And now lifting the lens out and just setting that on the tabletop as well, and giving you a look inside the box packaging of this Nikon box. And of course, let's lift out the rest of the box packaging just to make sure nothing has been repackaged or stuck under the packaging. So just pulling out the rest of the contents. So just checking through right there, making sure nothing is sandwiched in the packaging. So just setting everything on the tabletop so we have a full view of the items from this Amazon warehouse order. So right there across the tabletop, the contents laid out. So I'm just going to do some slight rearrangements so they can be more clearly seen right there across the tabletop. So let's first take a look at the user manuals. So just a brief glance, they look and appear to be unopened. Okay, so just setting that down. And in this packet, it's still sealed with the factory tape. Feels like it is a camera lens pouch. So just setting that down. And there is a guarantee or warranty booklet, or what appears to be a warranty booklet with some information there. And just setting that down and moving right along to the lens itself. So the Nikon AF-P NIKKOR 70 to 300mm f4.5 to 5.6e ED VR lens. So right here in its pouch, let's slide it out and take a look. So just setting the packaging down and taking a look at the lens. So up close, and of course the back of the lens and all around detail. And of course, quite importantly, is the condition of the lens itself. So giving you a look right there, and as you can see, it is perfect in condition. So just letting the light play against the surface of the lens so you can see very clearly for any marks, scratches, dust, or prints on the lens. And of course, let's check the underside of the lens cap as well, just giving you a look right there. So replacing the cap back on the lens. And of course there is a lens hood as well. So let's see if we can pop the lens hood off, but not before first taking a look at the rear lens element. So let's twist the cap off and giving you a look at the rear. So once again, giving you a look at that crisp condition of the lens. And let's put the lens cap back on. And right there, giving you a look at the overall condition externally of this lens. And just popping the lens hood off and taking a more thorough look. So right there you can see the overall condition of this telephoto lens, which was advertised as used, very good, item will come repackaged. And of course, one more thing to try is of course extending the lens so you can see condition wise. There does not appear to be any signs of use or wear. So that's an Amazon warehouse used, very good item, will come repackaged. Thanks for watching and happy ordering!